Turn around. Oh, how cool. Now, what is that down there?
Water.
Deep water.
Deep water.
That's the way we used to go down to Tom Lee Park. Guess what? No, all of that.
Now turn around. Tyler, turn around.
Hey.
Hold still.
Where's she going? Jayla? Oh, wrong kid.
The tractor made it down. The first all-mechanized cotton crop in the world was in 1943 in Clarksdale. Well, that created a venue for sharecroppers to leave the farms. One tractor could do what 50 sharecroppers could do. So they wanted to leave, come to these urban areas like Memphis, St. Louis, Detroit, Chicago for employment opportunities. Came to Memphis. Memphis and Beale Street was the center of...
Get out of my picture there.
Hello, water.
Turn around and wave at me.
Nana.
She's posing. You just strike a pose for me.
No.
No, honey. No.
Violators will be towed at ours expense.
I'm not sure you'd park there now. Anyone for dumpster diving? Where are you? Say the Mississippi River. Well, turn around here. Say Mississippi River.
Mississippi River.
And what is it doing? It's flooding.
Say it's flooding.
No.
It's nasty too, honey.
All right. Yeah, there used to be a cobblestone landing here. It's a little bit underwater, wouldn't we say?
All right.
You can't get over there.
Storm and ain't a cloud in the sky.